Hi guys, got a new survival kit here. This is from BCB, and this is their survival kit, which comes in a wet dry bag. Seen this online, bought it off eBay, and I figured I'd just show it to you because there's some stuff in there I want to add to my kit. So let's open it up and have a look. Feels alright, like a wet dry bag. And say, right, so okay, everything comes in a plastic bag. So we got black boot laces, you got a little bit of string there, emergency blanket, instructions. You got some matches, small fishing kit, and you can probably put something like that inside those straws I was on about with the survival kit from the cooking stuff I showed you last time. There's a little saw, you got a light, a cotton ball, nice size roll of tape, a whistle, one candle, a ferro rod with striker, signal mirror, and you got a sewing kit, one needle with one safety pin in there, and let's see what's in this one, a small multi-tool. So let's just go over what we got here and what we can fix. Well, I think we got majority of the 10 C's here. I mean, you could use this bag to carry water, but then you don't have any water tablets. So we got the signaling, we got multi-tool, which would also probably be a blade, candle and light, fishing but no snares, got a wire saw. Tape is good for patching things up, and also tinder. Speaking of tinder, you have tinder there, and matches. I mean, you could get a bit more string than that. The boot laces, I'd rather have paracord, but it is what it is. I don't sew too much in the field, but that might come in handy for patching up stuff. And then you have your emergency blanket. So I like the ferro rod out of this. I mean, it's a good quality ferro rod. It's quite thick. Need to test the striker out, but let me know what you think in the comment section. I will put any details on the page on the screen now about price and stuff. Alright, thanks guys for watching. I'll catch you next video. Bye.